Now, next thing, whatever we are going to learn is completely new for you. You haven't done this before. All right, so you have heard this in some different form. All right, maybe in class 10, but you haven't done this before. So, till subsets of a real number. All right, you have heard this subset of a real number. What is subset? You have done this before. It's just a revision. So, from here, we are going to start new thing now. All right, in second part of this set. Now interval as a subset of R. Interval as a subset of real number. Now what are interval? Interval are some special type of subsets. Interval, boys, very important concept in plus 2 mathematics. All right, your plus 2 mathematics starting from here. All right, so very important. You will be come across this interval again and again while doing many sums in many chapters. So interval, all right, this concept is very important. So interval are some special type of subsets. So if I ask you what is interval, interval is a subset, is a special type of subsets, all right, of a sets of real number. All right, it is a subset of sets of real number. Let a and b be two distinct real number. Let a and b be two distinct real number. Distinct real number means it is not same. All right, a is real number, you can think 2, and b is another real number, you can think 5. All right, 2 5. Okay, so now, and a is less than b, so a is less than b, 2 is less than 5. Okay, the set of all real number lying between a and b. Now the set of all the real number lying between a and b, don't get confused, all the real number lying between a and b is said to form an open interval, and it is denoted by first bracket a comma b. It should be first bracket, you cannot use any other bracket for open interval. All the real number lying between a and b. All right, all the real number lying between a and b is your is all the real number lying between a and b is your open interval. All right, ab. All right, if you want to write this in set builder form, how it looks, x is such that x belongs to real number, x is a real number, yes or no, and a is less than x, x is less than b. Out here in this set we will include all the number which is greater than x but which is greater than a but less than b. All right, so if you want to denote it geometrically, if you want to represent it geometrically, suppose this is a, this is b. All right, here the point a is out here and point b is out here, suppose 2 and 5. So we don't take 2 and 5, all the number between 2 and 5. Now which are the number between 2 and 5? You will say the number between 2 and 5 is 3 4. All right, 3 and 4. This is not correct, boys. You 3 and 4. All right, number between 2 and 5, real number, I am talking about real number. All right, real number between 2 and 5 is just after 2. You cannot include 2, but you can include 2.000001, right, just greater than 2. And what is the number less than 5? So 5 less than 5 is 4.99999 and something like that. Okay, so all the numbers lying between, all right, you cannot write out here 4, or you cannot write out here 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is not correct. All right, 3 and 4 is not correct. So the if I say real number between 2 and 5, real number between 2 and 5, there are so many real number between 2 and 5. 2.0001 is a real number, 2.002 is real number. All right, all these numbers are real number. Suppose if I say how many real numbers are between 2 and 3, there are infinitely many real number between 2 and 3. 2.001, 2.002, 2.003. All right, so 2.99999, something like that. Okay, so open interval, in open interval what we do is will not include this point, extreme point a and b. All right, all the number lying between, all the real number lying between a and b is your open interval. Are you getting my point? So a and b, from where you have taken a and b, a and b is a real number. So interval, we always take interval from the set of real number. Are you getting my point? Set of real number. Okay, so a and b are two distinct real number. so a is less than b, the set of all the real number lying between a and b is said to form an open interval. How open interval is written? Open interval is written within the first bracket a comma b. Suppose 2 comma 5, okay, 3 comma 7, whatever is given to you. So open interval, remember that open interval is written in first bracket. I repeat one more time. Now if you want to denote in roster form, set builder form, it is x is such that x belongs to real number, and which real number included out here? Greater than a and less than b. Okay, so I'm taking long time to explain out here. See, please understand properly. Now close interval. Now close interval, close interval, what we do is we include a and b, both is included. Now in close interval both is included. All right, a is also included, b is also included. Okay, so including a and b and all the number between a and b is your close interval. Okay, now see, the set of all real numbers lying between a and b and including the number a and b is set to form a close interval. It is denoted by square bracket a comma b. You have to write a square bracket. If you don't write a square bracket, it is not a close interval. All right, now suppose this is a number line, so a is out here and b is out here. See, I have darkened this circle. Before it was hollow circle. Hollow circle means this a and b is not included. But if I darken this circle, if I dark this circle, make a dark this circle, all this a as well as b is included, and all the number between a and b is included. Suppose 2 comma 5, that means 2, 5 both are included, and all the number between 2 and 5 is also included. All right, now there are different kinds of interval. All right, so semi-close interval it is called. All right, so now see, we'll see the different kinds of interval. Open close interval. Now open close interval means first part is open, second part is close. All right, that means a is not included, b is included. Now see, if a and b are two distinct real number, a is less than b, so now a bracket a, small bracket a comma square bracket is said to be open close interval. First open close interval if a is not included, if all the number lying between a and b is included, but a is not included, b is included. All right, so here x is such that x belongs to real number, a is less than x, x is greater than a, and x is equals less than is equals to b. That means you have to include b, but you cannot include a. All the number between a and b including b is called the open close interval. If I write close open interval means a is included, b is not included. All right, 2 comma 5 means square bracket 2 comma small bracket or first bracket. Okay, that means 2 is included, 2, 3, 4 point something dot 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 something less than 5. All right, so this part is not included. So close open interval means first part is closed, second part is open. First part is included, second part is not included. Open close interval means first part is not included, second part is included. Okay, so first part is not included, second part is included. So this type of interval are also called, all right, this type of interval are also called semi-open or semi-close interval. It is up to semi-open, half open or half close. All right, semi-open, semi-close interval. So remember today's the very important thing is the interval. All right, what is interval? Interval is a special type of the subsets of the sets of real number. All right, suppose a and b are two distinct real number, then small bracket a comma b is said to be a close open interval where number lying between all the number lying between a and b is included, but a and b is not included. All right, so if a and b is also included and all the number lying between a and b is also included, then it is called the close interval. Then we have open close interval. In open close interval, a is not included, b is included. Open means it is open. All right, it's not included. Close means it is included. So close open interval means a is included and b is not included.